am Eylah Strong, and for now, I wanted to show you how to do my cat eyeliner or the winged eyeliner. And yeah, so I would love to do that, the angled down kind of liner and the cat liner. So if you want to know about this tutorial, keep on watching. So let's go! So I'm done with my face makeup. It's a peachy eye makeup lang. So yeah, let's go to the eyeliner part. Here. So what I'm gonna use is my Eyeliner from Skin Potion. So this is actually a two-way eyeliner. So ang gusto ko sa kanya compared sa other eyeliners, mas madali siyang gamitin. Kagandahan kay Eyeliner by Skin Potion, this one, ayan. So kung makikita nyo, matigas. Tabain niya siya matigas. Stiff.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
This is the other side of the Eyeliner. And ang maganda sa kanya is the other side. The brow rolls. Ting! Meron na siyang instant wing liner. So, ayan. Meron na siyang instant wing liner, which is so perfect, lalo na sa mga beginners. But, ito yung mahirap. Yung placement, kung paano siya ilalagay. So, that's what I'm gonna teach you on this tutorial. Is how to wing your eyes perfectly. The front mirror. Okay. So, first is how to wing our eyes. So, you have to know kung ano yung angle. So, kung yung angle mo is this one, this one, and this one. So, there's different kinds of angles kung paano tayo mag-wing. Rule number 1, pumili kayo ng eyeliner na may medyo hard or matigas yung kanyang applicator sa dulo. But this one kasi, mas kumbaga, meron siyang stability. Para siyang ballpen. So, ayan. So, we're gonna locate kung saan natin ilalagay. After we locate that, kung saan, susundan lang natin siya. Tataas pa siya ng ganito. Yan. So, yan yung magiging guide ng ating eyeliner. And then, yan. I-work ko siya paloob. It gives you the medyo gano'n. Ito na! So, ito na yung Eyeliner. So, since nagamit natin yung one side, gagamitin naman natin itong side kung saan meron na siyang instant tong kill or instant wing liner. So, gano'n nga ba ito kadali gamitin? Alright, simulan na natin. Okay. Closer look. Closer look. So, ito na, yung tong kill. Nakikita niyo ba? So, ipoposition lang natin siya. Depende kung anong angle yung gusto natin. So, if you want this high angle, yung 45 and 90 and negative.
Ginagawa mo?
Yan na yung placement. 1, 2, and 3. Oh my gosh! Oh, di ba instant tong kill? Very subtle lang yung tong kill niya. And then, we're gonna use again this one. If you're gonna use that one, you could use it as your guide lang. Tong kill for eyeliner. Sigyan ko lang. So, this is the look. Ito yung Eyeliner. So, ito yung normal. And then, ito yung ginamitan nung tong kill niya. And I'll be right back. Gagawin natin yung pababa. Alright? Let's go! Hindi siya nagsasmudge. Girl. See? This is what I love about this product. Sobrang love. Guys, support local talaga. So, natanggal na natin yung nandito. Try naman natin gawin yung kung paano ako magtungkil ng medyo pababa. That's how I do it. The difference is this one is pataas. And this one, pababa. So, ayun lang guys. So, which one do you prefer? So, comment down below. If you want this kind of liner, pataas siya. Shing! And this one is medyo pababa. Angle down siya. So, which one do you prefer? Comment down below. I would love to hear thoughts from you or comments from you guys. So, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys like it. So, also, subscribe to my